I'm going to show you how to adjust a vinyl fence gate when it fails to latch, like this. Before we go ahead with the adjustment, I'm going to prop this gate open and take some measurements. You want to start by measuring the opening between your two gate posts on the top and on the bottom of the opening. Now these two measurements should be the same. If they vary, it means one of the posts is tilted. So let's take out our tape measure. We'll start on top. We have 41 inches. Now I'm going to go to the bottom, and we have 41 inches. So in this case, the opening is good. For PVC gate hardware to function properly, you want 1 inch of space on the hinge side and 1 inch of space on the latch side. That's 2 inches total for a PVC gate. So since our opening between these two posts is 41 inches, my gate should be 39 inches. So I'm going to check the width of the gate. Perfect. We are at 39 inches. Actually 38 7/8. So this gate is the perfect size for this opening. Now that tells me the fix for this gate not latching properly is simply a hinge adjustment, which I'll show you right now. Before we actually start manipulating the hinges, we want to look at the gate and see which way it's tilted. As you'll see, the striker rod on the latch here is hitting the bottom of the receiver, which means that this end of the gate has to go up. I have to tilt the gate this way. That being said, I can look at my hinge side and see that the space on the upper hinge is a little bit larger than the space on the lower hinge. So I'm going to start by adjusting this hinge this way. I simply do this by taking out my wrench, and I'm going to grip the nuts on the hinge here, and I'm just going to rotate them down as to push the gate that way. Now we're going to test the gate. Alright, it closes a little bit better, but it's still hitting the bottom of the latch here. There's still some friction there. So I'm going to go a little bit further. And then I'm also going to adjust the bottom hinge a little bit too. But in this case, I want to bring the hinge away from the gate post. So I'm just going to adjust it this way, the opposite. And let's try it again. And beautiful. Now once your adjustment is complete, you ideally want the space on the upper hinge to be about the same as the space on the lower hinge. And that's something you can just eyeball. You just want to make sure it looks good enough. And now you'll see this gate is functioning properly. It opens and closes nice and smoothly. Now what if at the very beginning you took the necessary measurements and something was off? Let's say your top opening was different from your bottom opening. That would indicate that one of your posts is not plumb. You'd want to take out your level, find out which post is in plumb. Now in my case, the posts are plumb, but you would simply take your level, figure out which post is leaning, and then you would have to fix that post. Now let's say your opening on the top and bottom is good, but your gate is too wide. So for example, my opening was 41 inches. Let's say my gate was 40 1/4 inches. That's going to result in the hardware rubbing. So if you're trying to adjust your gate and you really can't get it because the hinges are touching each other, the screws on the hinges are actually making contact, that means you don't have any room for adjustment and you need to reduce the width of your gate. Now thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. And if you fall into that boat where you can't do this simple adjustment because either you need to fix your post or you need to reduce the width of your gate, check out the related content where we walk you through those procedures. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.